Michigan, United States, December 5, 2024. A winter storm warning is now in place for much of West Michigan as gusty winds and freezing weather are possible tonight, potentially creating hazardous travel conditions across the region. As the Clipper system moves through today, Arctic air will quickly take over the region. Snow, rain showers will fall across the state in the afternoon. Behind it, an Arctic front will blow in, dropping temperatures from the 30s to 33s into the teens tonight.
My hotel room, my boss let me to stay because very hard for me to drive very early in the morning tomorrow.
This will lead to the possibility of a freeze and hazardous travel conditions across the state. The first phase of this event is expected to occur tonight as the Arctic front moves through the area, NWS Grand Rapids said. Surface instability and strong low-level convergence are likely leading to the development of a snow squall along the front. The snow squall will cause a rapid decrease in visibility to near zero and rapid changes in road conditions. The Grand Rapids NWS noted concerns that the blizzard will hit the I-96, I-69, I-94, US 131 and US 127 corridors during the evening commute.
Storm. The snow mix.
Major snow just north of South Haven, Michigan. It is coming down.
Building is the emergency hospital. Yes.
Lake Michigan.
Nobody on the road.
The cold air behind the blizzard will also cause any remaining moisture on the roadways to freeze quickly. Winds are expected to reach 40 miles per hour across the state, increasing the chance of power outages and causing windy areas. The rising cold air will also contribute to the blizzard in the region. With temperatures dropping into the teens at night, wind-chilled temperatures could drop below freezing. As of 11 a.m., a winter storm warning was in place for western Michigan, after being extended eastward to include Big Rapids and Reed City overnight.
Big time lake effect.
Little snowstorm.
Yeah, that's why everybody wants me.
Have to get up early and drive the kind of weather. Can you imagine?
Wow.
In the kind of weather in the middle of the night and very early in the morning, look.
God.
Oh my goodness.
Other major cities under the warning include Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Kalamazoo, Ludington and Holland. The warning calls for total snow accumulations between 3 and 9 inches. Wind gusts are gusting to 50 miles per hour. Big Rapids is currently expected to get between 4 to 7 inches of snow between 1 p.m. on Wednesday, December 4th, and 7 a.m. on December 6th, according to the Grand Rapids NWS. In northern Michigan, 6 to 10 inches of snow is expected to fall across the area from Cadillac to Traverse City. In Manistee, 3 to 5 inches of snow is expected to fall in the initial system through 7 a.m. on Thursday, December 5th.
It's at 5 to 12 inches. Until Thursday night.
Additional lake effect snow is expected through Thursday. Light snow at first will give way to heavier snow showers, blizzards, which could cause very variable travel conditions throughout the afternoon and evening, the NWS Gaylord said. Heading to the eastern side of the state, 2 to 3 inches of snow is expected across the region, including the Thumb region to the Saginaw Bay area. The NWS Detroit Pontiac is also warning of wind chills dropping into the teens or even single digits.
Y'all be safe out there, man. This is...
You can tell the snow is like circling.
Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. Viewers, see you in the next video.